The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Ivanishvili, the head of meat product producer company Tserti, says that due to raw material price increase, the cost of products has already increased and the growth is still expected. Ivanishvili says that the price of meat in the local market increased by 30% annually, and in the case of milk, the growth reached even 40%. Speaking about the expectations for 2023, Ivanishvili says that in January the price of milk will increase further, while meat price will likely remain at the current level. Raw materials have become more expensive for us by 20%. Supposedly it won't be reflected in product price directly, but I think there will be at least a 50% price increase. This process is also difficult for us. The increase in price reduces consumption, and no one benefits from this. Also, we have no other solution, Ivanishvili said. One of the largest real estate projects is planned to be implemented on Heroes Square in Tbilisi city center. The company COSTÉ 69, a member of Carto Group, has already submitted a project to Tbilisi Urban Service, which plans to set up a multifunctional complex on the territory of the silk factory. According to the architectural drawings, the project consists of 2 skyscrapers, the height of which is defined as a maximum of 65 floors. If the architectural project is approved, it will be the tallest building in the city after the TV tower. According to the project, the multifunctional complex will include 150,000 square meters. A part of the historical building of silk factory will be preserved. The project does not include Laguna where a swimming pool, which is also owned by Ivanishvili's business group. Chkonia is planning to build a new enterprise for mineral water Mtis. As the businessman told BMG, the water plant will be built in Atartari near the plant of Coca-Cola bottler Georgia. According to the businessman, the company already bought the necessary land area. The sales of mineral water Mtis increased more than we expected, so we decided to build a new factory. The demand for our products is growing not only in the local market but also from the countries where we export the products, I mean Azerbaijan. Also, last year we exported a small amount of water Mtis to Kazakhstan, and we will sell even more this year. By the way, we will start exporting tea and juices to Kazakhstan from March, the businessman said. As for the investment, Chkonia does not specify the amount of money needed for the construction of a new water plant, but says that in 2023, Coca-Cola bottlers Georgia plans to invest 70 million GLR. Hotel COSTÉ, which renovated the restaurant space and increased the number of rooms, will be fully operational from the middle of February. Tamar Baghdavadze, the founder of the hotel, told TV program Business Morning. Owners of the hotel invested 1.5 million GLR in the renovation project and planned to open it in November last year. However, as Tamar Tabagari says, due to the delay in the renovation works, the renovated restaurant will be operational from February this year, and a total of 70 people will be employed in the hotel. The number of rooms increased to 72. Accordingly, the hotel can host 140 guests per month. Hotel COSTÉ is expecting big bookings from March. Artisan bakery Gunda plans to develop its business outside Georgia. Gunda plans to open its first branch in New York late in 2023. Gunda aims to popularize khachapuri in the international market. One of the founders of Gunda, Levan Kukiashvili, spoke about the plans for the development of khachapuri chain and noted that the project will be implemented in cooperation with a Georgian partner living in America. We are planning to open Gunda branch in New York by the end of the year. We are currently looking for a place to open a facility in Manhattan or a similar area. We saw several locations. Gunda has 2 partners, Nana Dolidze and Inga Guernadze. Inga has been living in the USA for many years and we are working with them on the opening of the facility, said Ivanishvili. Mtevino, a tourist facility located in Hashmi village, Sagarejo district, is planning to develop the infrastructure and arrange a pool in the hotel area this year. Speaking to BMG, the founder of the company, Nika Sautashvili, says that they will invest a total of 130,000 GLR for business development. The infrastructure of the pool will be arranged on 400 square meters and the length of the pool will be 10 meters, while the width will be 5 meters. Demand for the pool from our guests has been high, so we have started arranging the pool and we will be able to offer it to the guests by May, says Nika Sautashvili. The tourist facility Mtevino includes a boutique-type 5-room hotel and developed infrastructure, a conference space and a restaurant. Nika Sautashvili, the founder of the company, says that in 2022 the tourist direction of Mtevino has increased by 130%. The cost of staying in a 2-person room at the Mtevino hotel for one night, including breakfast, totals to 160 GLR. Zala restaurant and cellar will open in Old Batumi in late spring 2023. The total investment volume of the facility will be 1 million GLR. The founder of the restaurant, Zuka Bakradze, explained that the concept and the menu of Batumi restaurant will be similar to Tbilisi. The facility will be designed for all 4 seasons and we make focus on local customers. We will employ over 30 local citizens and train them to provide quality service. Our expectations are quite positive, noted Sura Bakradze. Zala restaurant and cellar based on Georgian investment will be opened in New York, especially in Manhattan, in about 3 years. $3 million will be invested in the construction of the facility and its initial development.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.